Good evening, all of you, my dear students. Today we will start a new topic in our English grammar. The name of the topic is modal verbs. First of all, we will see what is modal verbs. Now see, modal verbs are special verbs that are used to express attitudes like possibility, ability, permission, etc. Which means modals are such type of special verbs which are always used to express what? Attitude. Which are always used to express attitude. Just like there should be given some likes, just like possibility means something should be happen or not happen, that thing should be depend upon possibility. Ability, permission, etc. In Hindi we can say possibility means sambhavna, ability means yogyata, permission means agya. Such type of thing should be just expressed by the help of modal verbs. So I think that all of you understand this definition of modal verb in an easily way. Now see, my dear student, afterward what should be given. Some of the common modal verbs are will, would, can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, etc. These are some common modal verbs which are generally used in a sentence. So I think that all of you understand the definition of modal verbs and some of the common modal verbs which we are just used in our sentence. Now my dear students, we will see types of modals. In this types of modals, first of all we will see first type, will oblique would. If we will see will is such type of word which show definite condition, whereas will is used in present tense and it is used for definite condition, and would is the past tense of will. So we can say that would is used in past tense. So today we will see will, first modal, will oblique would. Now see, will is used to show a wish, prediction, request, demand, order, assumption, promise, etc. These things should be just shown by the help of what? Will, which is modal verbs. Wish means in Hindi इच्छा, prediction मतलब अनुमान लगाना, रिक्वेस्ट मीन्स विनती करना, डिमांड मीन्स मांग, ऑर्डर मीन्स आदेश, एज्यूम्शन अनुमान लगाना, मानना हम कह सकते हैं एज्यूम्शन मानना, प्रॉमिस वादा करना, एटसेट्रा. सो आई थिंक दैट you all of you understand where we will use will. Will is used to show what? Wish, prediction, request, demand, order, assumption, promise, etc. Such type of things should be just shown by the help of will. Now see an example. In first sentence, will you please keep quiet? Interrogative sign. In this sentence, one person tell to another person to remain keep quiet. Will you please keep quiet? Here will is a modal verb, and we can say that this sentence show here request in a form of interrogative interrogative sentence. So will is modal verb. So I think that all of you understand first sentence. Now see second one. Aruna says it will rain today. In this sentence, Aruna is a character, or Aruna is a girl who says it will rain today, means it may rain today. It will rain today according to the circumstances, according to the atmosphere. After seeing that atmosphere, she tells it will rain today. This whole sentence show here what prediction, anuman we can say in Hindi. So I think that all of you understand how we will use, in which type of condition we will use will with the help of an example. Now see my dear students, next past of will, which is would. Now see what should be given in would. Whereas would is used to show a wish or to request in a polite way, and something to express habit, which means would is used to show what? Wish. Wish means ichha. Or to request. Request means vinti in a polite way. In which type it show these both things in a polite way. Polite way means vinamra. Polite means vinamra. So in polite way, and sometime to express habit, and sometime would is also used to express habit, to show habits. So I think that all of you understand the explanation of would. Now see an example of would. First example, would you please give me $100? Interrogative mark. In this sentence, this is an interrogative sentence. Would you please give me $100? This sentence show what? Request in interrogative way. Here would is modal verb. It is a past of will. Now see second sentence. She would remain very calm during her examination day. Here we again use would to show modal verb. In this sentence, here again we will use just would, and as you know that would is a modal verb, it is a past of will. In this sentence, she would remain very calm during her examination day. This sentence show what? This sentence show wish. So I think that all of you understand the explanation of would with the help of an example in an easily way. So my dear students, today I just teach you or explain you what is modals, introduction of modal with the help of definition, then afterwards some modals, then afterward I have explained you first type of modal, which is will oblique would. As you know that will is used in present tense and would is used in past tense with the help of an example in an easily way. So my dear students, first of all read it, then write it, then learn it. Take care, have a nice day.